Hi, my name is Nikki and I have been dancing competitively and socially for 30 years, and in this time I have picked up a few tips that I would like to share with you. This particular short video is about dance shoes and their maintenance. The purpose of dance shoes is to allow the wearer to have comfortable, flexible, lightweight footwear which can be adjusted to control your grip on the floor. Therefore, good maintenance will not only save you money but also keep you safe. Dance shoes are only suitable for indoor use as they have a suede sole which should be kept dry at all times. If you would like advice on buying shoes, there is a separate video for shoe purchase. This video can be found on YouTube channel LatinQuarter. Probably the most important problem I have encountered after both shoe purchase and shoe maintenance is when the heel is not vertical when placed on a flat level surface. Please watch our video while I go into detail. This causes the wearer to feel unsteady, and when worn the wearer will regularly go over on their ankle. The long-term effect of wearing such a shoe is to cause the tendon in that foot to be stretched, for which the only cure is surgery. New shoes should always be inspected for this problem and returned when found. Where the problem develops in older shoes, they should be discarded. The suede sole also needs to be brushed on a regular basis with a custom hard wire brush. Please watch our video while I go into detail. This should be purchased at the same time if you don't have one. This enables you to remove any contamination which accumulates from the floor. The brushing must be vigorous and in multiple directions, as continuous brushing in the one direction will cause gouging in the sole of the shoe. Male dance shoes should only be polished with a damp cloth, as black shoe polish will leave black marks on their partner's shoes every time their shoes come in contact. Heel protectors can be purchased which will save wear on the heel of ladies' shoes, as the protector can be replaced at a fraction of the cost replacing the heels. As the heels on ladies' shoes wear quickly, this can be a problem. Where ladies' shoes have a T-bar, the wearer should check that it does not prevent them from pointing or extending their foot when dancing. This technique is fundamental in Latin dance in particular.